Hey Facebook, it's David Lowe, your local real estate agent with Villa Homes Incorporated right here in Lexington, South Carolina. And I'm here now at Ashton Lake Subdivision in Lexington. And we're about to go check out a McGuinn hybrid homes and see what $260,000 will get you if you want to move here to Lexington. Come on, let's go take a look.
God's gonna see you through. Hold your head up, put a smile on your face. This is another test. It won't last always. So get ready. Get ready for your blessing. For your blessing. Get ready. Get ready for your miracle. For your miracle. Get ready. Get ready for your blessing. For your blessing. Get ready. Get ready for your miracle. For your miracle. Listen, I know you've been hurting deep down inside. Let me encourage you, it's gonna be alright. Troubles and trials come to make you strong. Keep on believing, you keep holding on. Get ready, for your blessing. For your blessing. Get ready, for your miracle. For your miracle. Get ready, for your blessing. For your blessing. Get ready. For your miracle, thank you, Jesus. God's got a blessing.
There you have it. That's what $260,000 gets you here in Lexington, South Carolina. So give me a call at 803-949-8251 for your own personalized store. All right, God bless and Happy New Year.